Mounting your PIKEPASS transponder has never been easier. First, make sure the mounting area on your windshield has been cleaned and dried. Next, take the PIKEPASS and gently peel the backing off. Careful not to touch the adhesive side too much. The PIKEPASS should be placed in the center of the windshield right below the rearview mirror. When placing the PIKEPASS, press down along the edge. Then, starting at one end, press the transponder to the windshield, making sure there are no air bubbles in it. Do not attempt to remove the sticker once in place. And that's it! Be sure your license plate is up to date on your PIKEPASS account, and you will be ready to travel on all of Oklahoma's, Kansas, Texas, and Florida's turnpikes at the lowest guaranteed rate. The Oklahoma Turnpike Authority thanks you for choosing PIKEPASS. Faster, safer, easier.